I'm going to continue pressing on now with our examples. So let's go on to now example 4a. All right, so we're going to now subtract these two guys, and this is kind of simple here because they have a common denominator. Great. So I could just go ahead and do this then. So we have 18x plus 7. Now check this out though. There is this little trickiness here. We are subtracting the whole thing, 2x minus 13. So we're subtracting both of these. So when you do this, this is going to become a negative 2x and a positive 13. See that? So it's almost like you distribute this negative sign. It goes from a positive 2x to a negative 2x and a negative 13 to a positive 13. Okay, and that's all over our common denominator of 4x plus 5. Simplifying this here, 18x minus 2x, 16x plus 20. Okay, and that'll be all over 4x plus 5. We don't ever want to stop there. If something can't be simplified and factored, that'd be great. So let's factor out a 4 in the numerator, and I'll get 4x plus 5 in the numerator, and then we have the exact same thing in the denominator. Ha-cha! And we lastly have 4. Okay. Looking at example B now, we don't have a common denominator. It looks like we do, but we don't. It's x minus 3 and x plus 3. So basically, each side needs the exact same thing that they have. So if this side has an x minus 3, then this side needs an x plus 3. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that then. X minus 3. And then this side will have an x minus 3. Okay, and then now this side also needs the x plus 3. And this side needs x plus 3. Okay, so now they both have a common denominator. Let's just first deal with the numerator and then we'll do the denominator last. So here I have 5 times x plus 3. Okay, so that's what this is. Minus 5, check that out. That's a minus 5, negative 5 times x minus 3. All over our common denominator of x plus 3 times x minus 3. Okay, so now let's check this out now. As we can see here, we probably want to simplify both of these. So let's go ahead and do that. So I'm going to distribute. So 5x plus 15. Right here, negative 5 times x is a negative 5x. Negative 5 times negative 3 is a positive 15. And then if I simplify this more, that's going to cancel out, and this is going to give us 30. So we have 30 all over our common denominator of x plus 3 all over x minus 3. And that's all we can do there.